Israeli airstrikes have devastated Gaza, killing at least 44 people and destroying schools and hospitals. The strikes followed unsuccessful peace talks in Cairo. 2 schools in Gaza were bombed, resulting in 25 deaths. Israel claims the strikes targeted hidden Hamas positions within these schools. Alaxa Hospital in central Gaza was attacked, causing a fire. 5 people were killed and 18 were injured, exacerbating the region's humanitarian crisis. Schools serving as shelters for displaced families were destroyed in the attacks, forcing thousands to flee again and worsening the shortage of food and shelter. Other areas in Gaza, including Deir al-Balah, Jabalia Camp, and Khan Yunis, also faced deadly attacks, with numerous fatalities and forced evacuations. The Israeli army is dismantling a tunnel along the Egyptian border, targeting Hamas infrastructure to curb the militant group's capabilities. Diplomatic talks in Cairo failed, with Israel accusing Hamas of rejecting a ceasefire and Hamas accusing Israel of lacking interest in an agreement. Hamas holds 115 Israeli and foreign hostages, leading to a standoff as Israel seeks negotiations for their release, further complicating the conflict. The assassination of Hamas leader Ismail Haniyeh and Hezbollah commander Fuad Shukr has intensified regional tensions, with threats of retaliation against Israel. The conflict has resulted in over 39,550 fatalities, millions injured, and 1.8 million displaced. Food scarcity and damaged medical facilities worsen the humanitarian crisis. The United Nations demands a ceasefire, while the United States supports Israel. Arab nations condemn Israel and call for increased humanitarian aid for Palestinians. Escalating regional tensions threaten a wider war. The humanitarian crisis in Gaza deteriorates, and prospects for peace and reconstruction remain bleak. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp.